first job is going to be remove this panel, which I've already popped off them. It's fastened on with them little things up back. Panels in cars. Yeah, it's fastened on with all them. You have to watch you don't break them. And pop them off with a screwdriver. See now at the back. A loop. Thick string. That all those already in. So that now is just I'll try and show you up underneath there. I'll show you how it's connected. It's mimicking the same action as if you was opening that door from outside there, like that. I'll pull in the top bit. The next step before you put your panel back on, you're going to have to drill a hole there, line up with where your loop of rope comes through. So you line that up on that. Now, so to line up for your drill holes, I'll just piece of paper, line up them two holes there, line up where your string's coming out there, like that on a piece of paper. And it's just a matter of the panel, right, two holes, boom, three drill hole goes there, straight out through there, and hopefully that's big enough now. Pop that string through, it's nice and neat. It's the string pop through that hole now, it's just a matter of trying to pop that back into place. Oh, is that all popped in place now, back on? Should be